How to check your purchase history on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To check your purchase history on your Amazon, you can go ahead and tap open your Amazon.com in a preferred browser or launch your Amazon application in your device. So over here, to check your purchase history on Amazon, start off by logging into your account. Once you are successfully logged in, at the very top you will see a person icon. Click on it. After that, under your orders, tap on See All. In this section, you'll find every order that you have purchased or placed so far. So in here, you can also check out your purchase history on Amazon. The next method is to check your credit card history as well. You can contact your credit card company for that. If you need any of the help in this, you can check the customer support of Amazon. You can just click on the person icon, then tap on customer service. Over here, you can type in purchase history. Then the bot will help you regarding the topic as well. Now you can just click on request my data. After which you will find a thorough detail of your order you have placed or purchased so far. And that sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.